today we're gonna make Strawberry Breeze Mega Tea. I love this one. I love all of the summer flavors. And to make the Strawberry Breeze, what we're gonna use is our raspberry flavored herbal tea concentrate, our palm berry flavored lift off. We're gonna use some strawberry sugar-free drink flavoring and also some pineapple sugar-free flavoring. And all this stuff, guys, comes in one of your mega tea kits if you've got one of those. And I'm going to show you how to mix the colors so that kind of blend going up. They're kind of separated. And I also want to let you know that if you want to have the color separations and have it be pretty, that's easy to do. But if you're in a hurry and you don't care about that and you just want the taste, no problem. Put it all in the cup together at the same time, or in your water bottle, or whatever you have, a shaker cup, whatever you're using. It's gonna taste amazing. But if you want the colors separated, that's what we're gonna do here today. So what I'm gonna do is, to start with, is I'm gonna break up the lift off tablet. Currently it's one big tablet, so we're just gonna break this up into a powder so that it dissolves easy. And then I'm gonna put the lift off, the herbal tea concentrate, and the strawberry drink mix into the bottom of the cup and dissolve that. And then in a separate cup, I'm going to dissolve the pineapple that will go over the top. So let's get started. Okay, now that this is done, we're gonna fill our cup all the way to the top with ice. Now the crushed ice or the smaller pieces of ice are pretty important if you want to keep the colors separated. Now a little bit of water in there to separate the colors. And voila, Strawberry Breeze.